Eyelashes is the key to snatching someone's soul. You get what I'm saying? When you get that connection with that person and you just look them right in the eyes and you're just so confident about it and you're just like, just look at them. It's just like, damn, like.
They painted me out to be the bad guy. Well, it's the last time you're gonna see a bad guy do the rap game like me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a super quick video on how to apply false eyelashes. Ladies, I'm here for you, you know? I'm here to show you how to enhance your look by any means necessary. So if I got it, if I know how to do it, I'm here to tell you guys. So I know a lot of time I struggle with my lashes. And sometimes I give up and I'm just like, you know, I just don't know how to put it. One key is to just be patient. You know, you're not going to get it the first time. And if you do, congrats to you. But other people not going to get it right the first time. But I'm telling you, keep going, keep practicing. Like my video. And you're going to get it. You don't really need much for this. You just need a pair of lashes. These lashes I got from Aliexpress. I'm going to leave the link below. So it came in this package right here, and I ordered 3 of these super cool lashes, and they're super affordable, you guys. And the one I am wearing right now is the 113. So far I'm feeling this. Like, I just love it. It was around $2, and you can't really beat that, you know? You can't. And I'll actually this is my second best one, the 125, and I'm gonna leave all the information and the link down below so you guys will go check them out and buy the lashes. Or you could even go to your local beauty supply store or drugstore and just pick up a pair of lashes. I like to use the Salon Pro 30 second super hair bond good. I like this because when you're done with your lashes and you just want to take it off, it comes out. All you got to do is just, and it doesn't rip out your lashes, which is super great because we don't want, you know, we don't want to be left without any lashes. So that's great. And another thing that you're going to need is your tweezers. I got these from Burlington Factory. Guys, this right here, I think it was $3.99. Came in this super cute box. I got it because it's super cute. And it's Paris Hilton. I will leave the link below as well. And last but not least, you need your mascara. If you guys watch my previous videos, you guys know I like Maybelline. I love Maybelline mascara because it's affordable and it's just great. You know, it's great. So the one I'm wearing is Maybelline Big Shot mascara. I got this from Walmart. I will leave it in the link below as well. So we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna show you guys how I apply these super great eyelashes. It only takes a few minutes. If you don't get it in the beginning, believe me, you will get it. Just try again. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like me, you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and like, comment, and share. And we're gonna get straight into it. Okay, guys? So what I like to do is apply mascara on my natural lashes so it can blend out. And if you're not wearing any makeup, this step is optional, but if you are, you do this step to take out the excessive makeup that gets on your eyelashes. So I'm just gonna apply that. Just one coat is fine. So this is what it looks like without the plastic on. This is my first time opening their lashes. So now I'm going to take the lashes like this. And I'm going to take the tweezers and just hold it right in the middle. So apply glue to it. I like to wait about 5 seconds before I actually put it on, just to let the glue dry a little bit. So now you're gonna close one eye but look through the other and just place it close to your eyelash, okay? You want to put it on the lash line and just like this. Let me demonstrate. Just like that, you put it on. Just as easy. Sometimes you will get the glue on the bottom of your lashes and it will kind of like stuck together. But it's okay. All you gotta do, and this is why I love this glue. It comes right out. You don't have to sit there and go wash your face all over. Kind of gotta like... And just like that, you have it on, you know? And there you go, ladies. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on and I'll be right back. Look at that. Oh, and just like that, honey, you just look like a bad joint. Like, just look great. Like, let me tell you guys, eyelashes is the key to snatching someone's soul. You get what I'm saying? So when you get that connection with that person and you just look them right in the eyes and you're just so confident about it and you're just like, just look at them, just like, damn, like, just kind of like bat your eyes a little bit. Bet you he not gonna forget about you. Or whoever, it don't have to be a he. Bet you that person's not gonna forget about you. So you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. This was a really quick video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and go follow me on my Instagram, makeupmora__ and foreversamora. I will see you guys soon, okay?